Yo, it's Heavy Haul HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing.
Welcome back to Heavy Haul HQ. We are going to film a commercial for Mighty. They send me free bric-a-brac and we film commercials. This ought to be fun. Let's see if we can do it in one shot, and then I'll show you around some of the shop projects that we still have going on, and some of the other stuff that we've got going on around the shop. Some of the fancy trailers. Where's the fancy trailer? Oh, they put the red one over there. We'll go over to see that red trailer. We got a Fontaine Magnitude here. Should be a lot of fun. The interesting part about this is that we don't typically have equipment to demo these Mighty products. So it's actually quite a challenge, because I have to make believe for the commercial that that we're chaining something down, basically, because we're not. We don't really have much to chain down unless I have like a stack of trailers. In other words, I don't have equipment on top of these trailers to even chain down. So let's take a look and see how this can go. All right, so we got all our gear set out for the little infomercial. We're recording on an Android. It is a Galaxy S24 with a little microphone, a little hand holder. It's not a hand holder, it's a camera case with a holder. So it's got the little magnetic case. I'm gonna get one of my technicians to help me record the YouTube video so y'all can see kind of behind the scenes. And then we got our double mic. We never have enough hands to do all this by ourselves. We got the CH1220 half inch by 20 grade 70 binder chain. And as you can see, the grab hooks are on both ends of the 20-foot chain. Especially trucking, farming, and construction. They still meet all the industry safety standards and offer dependable performance in demanding situations. All you have to do is just go to the link in my bio, click the Mighty link, look for part number CH1220, and then use affiliate code MTAFL10, and you can save your 10%. That was actually really tough. We have to do this all the time, and that's a little behind the scenes of what it looks like trying to film one of these. Mind you, that's with the script that was given to me by Mighty. If I was doing it on my own, I would come up with something a little different, let's just say. That was actually nerve-wracking, because I got my whole YouTube audience watching, as well as trying to write out that whole script there. And check out my truck's accessories sign. They gave me that. We got James over here working, Al's over here selling parts. We got our display. Watch your eyes, everybody. New display. That one's also by Trucks Accessories. We got our whole display here. Grade 120 chain, grade 80 chain, grade 100 half inch, and then all the accessories. Then if you walk out into the shop, we're actually working on a really cool Landoll ramp trailer. He had run it, one of the hydraulic lines came, let me turn you around, I'll show you. Down in here, there's an electric over hydraulic pump. One of the lines that came a little loose. This trailer is only about 5 months old, so don't ask me why, but the line came loose. It leaked out a little bit of oil. Those reservoirs are very small. They only have about a gallon or so in there, and so it was not allowing his ramp to come down. So he was having to do it manually. And if y'all have seen some of my other social media videos or YouTube shorts videos about that ramp, some of them's easy, some of them's less easy. And so he was having to do that for a second. And so we got it back situated. Also he had some sticky brakes, so we resolved that issue. Daniel's getting the pony motor crunk up. But what I love about these trailers, beyond that ramp, is all these keyhole tie downs. And I got a bunch of that material now, so I can put keyhole tie downs on all type of stuff. I'm gonna put them on my forklift. I'm gonna put them everywhere, basically. You can see he got set up with all the peerless binders or folding handle binders when he purchased the trailer from us. We have another cool project, which is this Craftsman trailer. It has a spring-loaded ramp in the back. And let me just show you, because I haven't actually seen one of these. It has what looks like an air cylinder or a shock right there, and it is air actuated. So this whole ramp is like a beaver tail and 2 air operated ramps back here. And so when you hit that little push pull valve, it'll allow this whole trailer ramp to come down. It'll kind of fold out and then lay down. So it's really cool. A cool customer too. We've met him a couple times. He came up here and bought us out of like all type of chains. And then you can see right here behind me, we're still working on the railroad project. The welder's out sick today, but we expect he'll be back tomorrow, and then we can get it finished up. We've still got to build ramps for the front. So that right here will have a little bit sticking out the front, so that way they can get off the railroad and onto the tracks here. So big fun there. And if we walk to the other side of the yard, we can take a look at some of the shiny trailers as my 2 apprentices put up all the chains and binders that we made a mess with for Mighty. Also, if you need any of those Mighty stuff, you probably heard the spiel, but you can use affiliate code MTAFL10. That'll get you 10% off, and if you click the link in my bio, I think they give me some kind of percentage of whatever you purchase there. And I wouldn't even care about none of that, because none of that really, it doesn't put a dent in what I do. But what it does put a dent in is price. Y'all's price, you'll never see better pricing. And so far, they've done good for me. Their products have been fair to extremely good. And fair is what I was going to say if I found something that I just didn't love. But the pricing doesn't matter. For the quality, you can't beat it. It's really interesting that they can even go that cheap, that affordable. It's not cheap, it's affordable. So we've got a couple of trailers to look at. This is so interesting. Every one of these, you can see the remnants of a bird nest. The birds love these holes. So huge shout out to Fontaine, and especially the Magnitude series, because of your holes, you are helping birds every day to be able to have bird houses. Every one of these has a little bird house. And I'm talking about, you could park them out here for 5 minutes. Bird's house will already be there. I don't know if they come from the factory like that or what, but a huge shout out for the bird houses. This is what we call a Fontaine Magnitude 55H. So it's like the more robust 55-ton rated trailer. This one's special because it has a 29-foot deck, which can only be done on the 55H because it has a 22-inch deck height, so it has a little more beam there on that side rail. It's a little taller, allowing for you to be able to go longer without sacrificing the quality of the rating being 55-ton. What you'll really love is these 2 lockable toolboxes. Because they have that little piece right there that allows you to lock it, and then down inside they have perforated metal, not expanded metal. So I like that because that's going to be strong and it's going to last a really long time. The other cool thing, we did a whole demo on these cam paws. So they have the 2 fingers there, which is called a dual cam paw. It slides down into a casting rack right in here. So think of it like a ratcheting mechanism. As you flip this over, that'll allow it to boop, 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 and cycle through all those. With the 2 of the cam paws, it allows for 7 adjustable ride height settings, all done hydraulically on the front of the neck. This can be operated off a wet line, but it's hooking a wet line into the 2 hydraulic valves here. Not valves, but couplers, hydraulic couplers here and here. If not, then we can always add a pony motor, which is a self-contained hydraulic power unit. So the pony motor is really good. And then also, if you look right here, it has keyhole tie downs. Keyhole tie downs are very common in this industry. You can just drop the tail of your chain down in there. These will fit up to 1/2 inch chain, and then you can tie down from those points. Also equipped with tons of D-rings. So you have D-rings all the way down the side of the trailer. Everywhere on this one that there's an outrigger, there is also a D-ring. And then longtime viewers of the channel will know we're gonna have the chain up on the first axle. That means right there, you dump all your air, shut off the blue valve, chain up that chain right there into that little keyhole slot. So right here you have the chain, right here you have the keyhole slot. Just pop that up, cinch it down, and then they're always painted on that. And I really shouldn't touch it because I get paint all over me. But you just slide that in there tight, and then you'll shut off the supply right here. And then when you lift your other bags, it won't allow any air into these bags, which will pick up that first axle. And then on all the new Fontaines, you have all your air controls over here. So you have your dump valve, and then your overfill, the airbags valve, and then your strobe lights off on, which is battery powered for when you're disconnected. When the next disconnected from the trailer, you still have strobes on the side of the road. And then my favorite feature, really favorite feature, is that ride height control there. So that mechanically changes the position of the ride height, which is just on the other side of here. And so as you lift this up, you can hear it requesting more air because it's moved that leveling valve that's on the other side. Or when you go to drop it, the center is your normal ride height, and that's good for going down the road. And it really stably changes it. It locks it in good. And then one of the last features on this one is the new lower boom trough. So you can see right here where it's cut out all the way through to the bumper. That's going to let you get your boom down in here, lower overall height. So that way when you're hauling stuff down the road, you'll be able to have better clearance. Oh look, and Yansy Rental's pulling up. I really like Yansy Rental. We've been working with them. We work with a lot of the rental companies, Sunbelt and Herc and Yansy, and we do a good job for them. We're one of the premier, not one of the premier, we are the premier Landoll dealer in the Southeast. So a lot of that stuff flows through here. We hope to continue to do a good job for you guys over at Yansy and all the other rental companies and all our other many customers. A little behind the scenes too, because I just got this up today. It's a whole security pole for the whole parking lot that can be monitored. So we'll have better security out here in the parking lot, 24/7 monitoring and surveillance of stuff coming and going from our yard. I'm putting one up on both sides. And I think that's going to be really nice. This trailer is already purchased and ready to go. You can see we have the huge work lights on the back of the neck. We got the pony motor installed. And it looks like did we add a hammer plate on this one? No, this one came with a hammer plate back there. The 60 LCC comes with a hammer plate on these trailers. It comes with flip ramps, and you can remove those. And then the 60 LCC and the 55 LCC, 60 ton and 55 ton respectively, they'll come with an 18-inch loaded deck height. So that joker there can be really low to the ground, especially with that 60 ton rating. This one is an absolute monster. And then it looks like the step deck market is picking back up. So you guys must be seeing some really nice loads coming on the step deck market, because we're getting calls like crazy for these step decks. I think almost all of them are gone, but if you need a step deck, reach out to me. Just give me a call, 888-LOWBOY1, and I'll be happy to assist you with that. And then we have a used Talbert. I'm not sure if it's sold yet, but it's a traveling axle, 40 ton rated Talbert, and it really isn't that old. And then we have some brand new Kaelin Cyber 55 ton rated slide axles, which is really nice. I like their DOT tape. And then I have a Landoll, same thing, ramp trailer over here, 55 ton rated, and it has a stinger. That one's used, I think it's a 23 model, and it's still available. And then for the longtime viewers of the channel, I want to show you one last thing that reminded me of. Stand by, I'll be right back. It's our very own DOT tape. We had this special made, and it's the highest quality you can make, which is the highest quality I know of. It's 10 years. So it's rated at 10 years. So that's really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Let me go and start editing this, and we'll get this up shortly. And as always, have safe travels.
Yo, it's Hefty Haul HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing. Trucks on the highway, flexing the muscle. Heavy Haul Nation.